Welcome to Impact. Headlines. US consumer confidence at two-year high. India to be third largest economy by 2027. Oil prices down. US consumer confidence rose to a two-year high, rising to 114.8 in January from 108.0 a month earlier. Dana Peterson, chief economist at the Conference Board Washington, said that January's increase in consumer confidence reflected slower inflation, anticipation of lower interest rates, and generally favorable employment conditions as companies continue to hoard labor. Since March 2022, the Federal Reserve has raised its policy rates by 525 basis points to 5.25 to 5.5%. Impact on Sri Lanka. The United States is Sri Lanka's largest export market. From January to December, exports to the United States fell to $2.76 billion, down 17% from a year earlier. A resurgence in consumer confidence in these markets helps Sri Lanka to drive exports higher. According to investment banking firm Jefferies, the Indian economy is expected to become the world's third largest economy by 2027, surpassing Japan and Germany. India is currently the world's fifth largest economy with a nominal GDP of $3.4 trillion and is forecasted to reach $5 trillion by 2027 and $10 trillion by 2030. According to Bloomberg, the Indian economy is expected to maintain an annual growth rate of 6% over the next 5 years. Impact on Sri Lanka. India accounts for about 65 to 70% of Colombo Port's transshipment volumes. Further, India is now Sri Lanka's largest tourist source market. Higher discretionary spending power of its citizens boosts the local economy. Oil prices are down 0.6% to $81.2 per barrel as markets remain cautious that higher than expected inflation could delay interest rate cuts which have slowed global fuel demand. Ricardo Evangelista, senior analyst at Active Trades, said that this is a result of inflation stubbornly hovering well above the Fed's 2% target and the US economy showing resilience few had predicted. Impact on Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka's high dependency on oil imports means changing prices significantly affects its balance of payments. While the country's foreign exchange reserves have improved in the recent months, they remain dangerously low at just around 3 months of imports. And that's a wrap for this week. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay updated on the latest developments in Sri Lanka.